Hi everyone, this is Amanda Freeman, week 7, discussion 7. This week's discussion is about climate change and resource use. This topic is important because it affects so many parts of our lives, our health, the environment, and also the economy. The videos gave a lot of insight into the science behind climate change and how human activity plays a big role in that. One thing that stood out to me was how closely carbon dioxide levels and global temperatures are connected. The Keeling curve and ice core data showed just how fast the CO2 levels have risen due to burning fossil fuels. Scientists even trace where the CO2 is coming from using carbon isotopes, proving that this isn't just part of the natural cycle, it's something humans have caused. It's alarming to see how this leads to extreme weather, rising sea levels, and more wildfires. I never really realized how much of an impact human activity has had on the planet until seeing the evidence laid out throughout this course, and especially in these videos also. Just like with how you can affect the drinking water you're drinking with pesticides and herbicides and all that, and then the landslides affect it. And anyways, spirituality and cultural beliefs play a big role in how people view climate issues and resource use. In indigenous cultures, including my own, the land isn't something that we own. It's something we're responsible for. We take care of it, not just for ourselves, but for the future generations. That the mindset that is very different from mainstream society, where decisions are often made based on profit rather than balance. And we're seeing today a lot of that is taking place. The way of thinking has led to a lot of environmental damage. When people don't feel connected to the land, they don't see the importance of protecting it and taking care of it. I believe we all have a responsibility to care for the earth, for our earth, not as in ownership. Climate change isn't just an environmental problem. It affects people's health, homes, and daily lives. It's easy to think that the issue is too big for one person to make a difference. But small changes add up. Big policy changes are needed, but the choices we make as individuals matter too. Whether it's being mindful for our energy use, the products we support, or how we advocate for change. We all have a role in this. We might not be able to fix everything overnight, but to do nothing isn't an option. And I believe going through this course so far, I've learned a lot about the earth and how a lot of chemicals and like natural disasters affect our climate and how we live day to day. And I have learned so much more than I thought I would. And I think that just thinking about learning about the climate change and the CO2 levels was overwhelming to me, and kind of made me overwhelmed in the worst way. But also it made me, when I had to do it, I learned a lot. So having ADHD, I kind of focus on stuff that interests me. At first this didn't interest me, but as I started to learn about it, I was getting a lot more interested in it, and I look forward to learning more about it now. And so I hope you all have a great week.